Hello family, and welcome back to my channel. So today, let's be honest, cooking chicken, potato, veggie is easy, but finding love is the real recipe people want. So while this chicken is marinating, let's talk about 5 places where single can actually meet their future spouse. No dating app is required. I promise this will be juicier than the chicken in my oven. So first, I will clean and season my chicken, give it a nice spicy rub and allow it to rest, because chicken, like people, need time to marinate before it's ready for the heat. Now, speaking of heat, let's start with first place single often find love. Number 1, weddings. Honestly, nothing brings single people out of hiding like free food and music. Have you noticed? At every wedding, there is always that uncle trying to introduce you to somebody. The question is, would you actually trust your uncle's matchmaking skills? Drop it in the comment section, yes or no. Okay, while you're answering that, let me chop up my potatoes. I like mine chunky, a little crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, kind of like people. They look tough, but deep down they are marshmallows. So, number 2, church, community gatherings or events. Let's be real, there's something about seeing a man sing off-key in church choir that makes you think, husband material. Or maybe not. Would you date someone you met in church? Or is that a recipe of awkwardness? If it doesn't work out, comment below. I would like to hear your thoughts. Now let's move on to my veggies, my carrots, my peppers, my onions, all going into the roasting tray. And honestly, veggies on the tray are like people at the single meetup. Colorful, different shape and size, but together they make magic.
I just think.
So, number 3, the gym. Oh, this one is fun. The gym, yes. You can start on a treadmill, but do you really want your first memory of someone to be gasping of breath, red-faced, and drenched in sweat? Would you approach someone at the gym, or keep it strictly cardio? Let me know in the comments, because I'm curious who is brave enough. Alright, chicken goes in and the potato join the party, veggies too. Let's roast this beauty, and while it's cooking, let's peel more too. Number 4, the supermarket. Yes, love in aisle. Imagine meeting your soulmate while reaching for the same pack of plantain chips. If you meet someone at the supermarket, what aisle would it be? Me? Definitely the spice. Gonna know if he can handle pepper. Number 5, traveling, commuting. Traveling on a plane, train, or even on a bus. Never know that person sitting next to you could end up being your forever. Or would you just be a snorer and ruin your trip? But hey, life is about chances, right? So there you go, 5 unexpected places where people meet their forever. Church, weddings, gym, the supermarket, and travel. And while you're out there looking for love, at least you can come home to a good roast dinner. Now I've shared my top 5. Drop in the comment section what you think is the best and the funniest places to meet someone. And if this made you laugh or hungry, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because life is too short for boring food. So see you in my next recipe. Bye.